How's it going? Welcome to this video. All right, we are going to do this video on a P0406 code, which is exhaust gas recirculation sensor A circuit high. If you guys have this code, you guys probably have a check engine light on your dash and you guys probably need a fix for it. We're going to diagnose the issue and we're going to try to fix the issue, guys. All right, so chances are you guys probably have an OBD2 scanner. You guys scanned your car and this code comes up. Probably want to know what P0406 mean, what the code means. So essentially the exhaust gas recirculation system is a system in your car that lowers the combustion temperature by reusing some of the exhaust. Now a portion of the exhaust is redirected back to the engine and injected into the cylinder along with the fuel and air mixture. This allows the mixture to combust at a lower temperature, which in turn allows the vehicle to run more efficiently. Now, inside the exhaust gas circulation system is a valve control, which is controlled by the powertrain control module, the PCM, and this valve is either vacuum controlled or electronically controlled and has a sensor that detects what position the valve is in. If the sensor detects that the valve is not opening and closing properly, it'll send this code to the PCM, which is the code that you have with the check engine light, and essentially it means that the exhaust gas recirculation system is not functioning correctly, which can cause several symptoms that could cause issues with your car, with how the car runs. So let's talk about the symptoms of this error code, and you definitely notice issues with your car. Obviously you're gonna get a check engine light. There's a possibility that your engine could stall. On the other hand, you could also have a surging engine. You could also have an increase in the NOx emissions and an increase in engine temperature, which obviously you're going to notice because the temperature gauge is going to go up. And if you have any of these issues, it could be dangerous, because if your engine stalls or surges, obviously you're going to have one of these situations. You could potentially have one of these situations where it puts you in a really bad situation. And obviously if it happens at the wrong time, it could cause an accident. So it's a pretty serious code that you shouldn't ignore, and it'll essentially keep you from passing the emissions test. So at this point, you guys probably want to know like how to fix this, and let's just talk about the sensor itself. The error code could be caused by a faulty sensor, and there could be nothing wrong with your recirculation system at all, and it could be the sensor that's the problem. And this might be the most likely cause if you experience no unusual symptoms at all. You might, if this is the case, you might want to just find the sensor and inspect it, and essentially inspect the surrounding connections for any kind of damage or fraying of the wires. If you find any wires that are frayed or damaged, obviously you would want to repair those. If there's nothing wrong with the electronics, then you should next find the recirculation valve. There's a chance that the breeze could be stuck in it, which is preventing it from opening and closing. If there's no debris, there's a good chance that the valve itself is damaged. If your valve is vacuum operated, there might be a crack in the vacuum line. If you can't find if you can't find it, there's a good chance that you might have to do a smoke test on it just to find the vacuum leak. You might have other codes for misfires, etc., with this issue. In any case, If you guys have your own personal experiences with this, definitely like leave a comment in the comment section. Let us know what you guys did to fix it. Please leave a comment. Please subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up. All that good stuff, guys. Appreciate your time. Take care.